everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make Facebook groups. So if you want to make groups on Facebook, that's quite easy, but if you don't know, I will show you how to do this. So watch this video till the end. First of all, just open up the Facebook application on your mobile and now tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner and you will see this option groups. Just tap on this groups and when you are here, you will see this plus icon. If you tap on it, these two options will pop up, create group or create post. So just tap on this create group. First of all, you have to enter a name. You want to create a group on which name? Like I want to create a group on this name. After this, you have to choose privacy, like it's public or private. So I want to do this as public. Click on it. Now tap on this create group. It will load up. Now you can see that this window will be pop up for you. And the next step is you have to add members to your group. So just send the invite anyone you want to. Just click on this and after this tap on this next button. Now you have to upload a cover photo of your group. So tap on this upload cover and choose any random photo like this. Click on this done. You have to adjust it like this. Click on this save and now your cover photo is added. Now tap on this next again. Now you have to describe your group. What type of group you are making. So just describe it like poetry. I want to add the poetry. So click on this next. Now you have to enter your goal, like what is your goal? Meet people, buy and sell. Why are you creating this group? Or I will select this meet people. Click on this next. Now the final step is you have to create a post to welcome the new people. So that's how you can add a post. So you have to add a welcome post like this. And after doing all these process, just click on this done button like this and you can see that our group is created. Our group is ready. Now if you go back and tap on your profile icon again, tap on this groups again. Now you have to tap on this option your groups. Click on it. It's updated 23 seconds ago. Just click on it and you can see that this is the group we made just a minute ago. So that's how you can create a group on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.